The value of pi was calculated by Archimedes to 3 decimal places, and by Ptolemy to 4, but after that, for 1,450 years, no greater accuracy was achieved by the Western world. It wasn't until the 5th century in China that pi was approximated more precisely. At this time, China was fairly isolated from the rest of the world by an extensive mountain range that almost enclosed the entire country, and it was very difficult for people to cross over to different areas. And so, but despite that, they were a very advanced civilization, and they actually led the world for 1,200 years in the approximations of pi. To make this approximation, mathematician Zhu Chengqi used geometry. His method was actually fairly simple, and in fact it was the same method used by Archimedes a century and a half ago. What he did was he drew a circle, and then inside the circle he put a many-sided polygon, and then he was able to calculate the area of the polygon and therefore estimate the area of the circle. And then, since he already knew the area of the circle, the radius, and the circumference, he was able to solve backwards and find pi. And so, in case you forgot how to find the area of a regular many-sided polygon, I put a formula up there just as kind of a refresher, because I know I needed one. I found the easiest way to do it is just to find the area of one of these triangles and then multiply that by the number of sides. And what made Zhu Chengqi's approximation for pi so accurate was the fact that he actually used a polygon inside the circle that had 192 sides, and apparently that wasn't accurate enough for him because he did it again later with a polygon that had 3,072 sides. So it must have taken him a really long time to calculate that, but it enabled him to find pi very accurately, even going as far as 7 decimal places, which was pretty advanced for the 5th century.